To perform a reflash process on a Nissan vehicle, you will need the following items: website subscription to the Nissan J2534 Reflash site, an active internet connection, a battery booster pack or battery charger, your Matco VCI and current software, and a personal computer. The purpose of doing this reflash is to obtain current vehicle software and overcome specific drivability or diagnostic trouble code issues. By being able to perform these functions in your shop, you will be able to be more efficient by providing your customers with a proper repair without delay. You can also realize additional profits by doing the reflash in-house and save time by not sending it to the dealer. Now that you understand the purpose and profitability of reflash, let's perform one on a Nissan. First, you must install the battery booster pack to maintain battery voltage throughout the reflash. Then you can install the VCI Vehicle Communications Interface to the DCL Data Communications link and turn the ignition key on. Now that we have completed those steps, let's go ahead and begin the reflash. We'll tap on the Nissan icon, and we're going to follow the instructions from every single line going through. First, before you begin, you must always get the controller ID by going to Global OBD2 Mode 9 in order to obtain the correct reflash. Let's continue. We're going to follow the instructions screen by screen. It's going to tell us right up front, do you agree with the terms and conditions? You'll say agree. And then you're going to follow every complete screen. In this case, it tells you to turn off the power management system, screensavers, etc. for your laptop. Click on Next. Turn off your cell phone. Make sure you have ambient temperature not exceeding 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. And as it says, you're going to go through and check that the self-diagnostic results are correct, connect the battery charger to the vehicle, check electrical loads, execute ECU reprogram, and then verify that reprogram. And before we begin, as we've talked about in the past, always check for DTCs and make sure you do the repairs as required. At this point, we're making sure that the battery charger is hooked up, a trickle charger in this case. We're using a battery booster pack, which is just as correct. And now we're going to hook up the J2534 reflash device. Make sure that all your accessories are turned off, headlights, AC, radio, amplifier, all those devices. And you're going to put up a caution tag to keep everybody away from the vehicle to let them know you're doing a reflash so that no one disturbs the vehicle during the process. Now we're going to choose the computer engine in this case, and we're going to start. When you click on start, it's going to ask us to fill in a couple blanks, so I'll tap on start. I'm going to tap on the vehicle model area, type in the model name, which is Altima in this case. Then I'm going to tap on part number and type in the reflash that we're going to install, which is 9J31B. By the way, 9J31B is the reflash we obtained from the website that we're going to install in this vehicle. What we're going to do is press the search button. It'll go out looking for that file in our hard drive so we can now install it on the vehicle. Once it finds it, your next button will be lit up. We'll tap on next. We're going to select the pass-through device to deal with, SPX device 1. Tap on next. We're going to wait for it to find the device. And now it's confirming the hardware and the firmware of the device and the vehicle. It's loading the software for the vehicle to be uploaded to. Tap on next. We're confirming the vehicle to be sure it is correct. And it's beginning the reflash. You'll notice it says no error, not error. There is no error yet. So therefore, we are okay. So we'll press the exit button to continue. All right, we'll click on the next button to clear any fault codes that might be there. It's loading the J2534 pass-through box, and it's going to connect to clear the fault codes so we can start the reflash. The DTCs are now cleared, so we'll press the exit button. Alright, at this point it's telling us to start the reflash. Once the reflash is complete, we're going to turn the ignition key off for 5 seconds, then back on. Now you want to make sure the cooling fans are running. You'll disconnect the J2534 from the vehicle data link connector and disconnect the vehicle battery power. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on Next. After the reflash is completed, you'll reset the learned idle position. You're going to verify the engine starts. You're going to do an idle air volume learn, and you're going to do deletion of diagnostic results. Tap on Next. Reset the learn idle position by turning the ignition switch on, and then for 5 seconds, and then turn the ignition switch off for 10 seconds, and repeat 2 times. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. Now that we have verified that, and we know it does start and does idle well, let's tap on Yes. And we'll now go ahead and delete the diagnostic results, DTCs, etc. We're going to go ahead and complete the deletion of diagnostic results, following the instructions as follows. In order to delete the diagnostic file, you are going to follow this set of instructions. Once you've done that, you'll be able to click on Next. So I'll go perform those quickly. Deletion of diagnostic results for other systems as well are listed, but we did the one that we needed to. So we'll hit Next. And again, different other vehicles, we'll hit Next once more. And once again, follow the same list of deletion results based on this one, and make sure you repair all and/or erase DTCs as required. The reprogramming procedure is now complete.